Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Kia Forte in an EX trim and powered by a 2-liter engine, providing you with excellent fuel efficiency for getting around and freshly detailed, so it's nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. And looking into the back, we have a pretty spacious trunk that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats, and you have some levers to do so from the back as well. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 with fold-out armrests and 2 cup holders in the middle there. And looking into the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 60,278 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls to cycle through your information here, such as a digital speedometer, your drive mode, fuel economy, trip information, and then you can also go into your service info and user settings. Moving on to the left, where you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and then completely left you have your traction control shut off, your lane keeping system, and your blind spot monitoring system. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Bluetooth, and auxiliary, I believe. So you do have some options there, as well as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Moving down, you have your media controls, of course, and then you have your hazards and your climate controls. Pretty simple, just on 3 dials here. And then you have your wireless charging pads here, so if your phone is compatible, throw it on there and it will begin to charge. You have a 12-volt power outlet, auxiliary USB, and another auxiliary or another USB there, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio from there. And then you have your main shifter here with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and you do have heated front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay cozy, heated steering wheel to keep your fingers warm, and your drive mode selector button here for sport, smart, and normal, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have 2 cup holders, parking brake, and your center compartment / armrest, which is relatively spacious inside, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.